ComStar's Com Koil is an easy-to-apply, traditional, acid-based external evaporator and condenser coil cleaner, designed for outdoor use. It's the ultimate heavy-duty cleaner and brightener for finned, air-cooled condenser coils and electronic air filters. Com Koil's fast and effective foaming formula is great for cleaning inaccessible fin areas. It cleans away dulling oxide film, lifting and removing dirt, grease, and contaminants, and it leaves aluminum and copper clean and bright. Com Koil will restore and brighten coils to their original condition, and its traditional pink color makes it easy to see where it's been applied. Using Com Koil is simple. 1. Depending on the condition of the condenser coil or mechanical equipment, Com Koil can be diluted with 1 to 5 parts water. 2. Shut off the cooling system and venting fans. Using a low-pressure, acid-proof sprayer, apply Com Koil and allow it to soak into encrusted dirt for at least 3 to 4 minutes. 3. Rinse thoroughly with water until all foam disappears. Com Koil from ComStar, the powerful, heavy-duty, pink acid coil cleaner that's fast, effective, and easy to use. In an industry increasingly dominated by non-acidic alternatives, ComStar stands as one of the few that continues to produce high-performance acid condenser coil cleaners. ComStar recognizes the unique efficacy that acid cleaners offer.